Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dagster Cloud for data asset orchestration, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Dagster Cloud. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields prompting you to enter your email and password. Type in the email address associated with your Dagster Cloud account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you wish to stay logged in, you can check the Remember Me option. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Dagster Cloud dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email instructions. If you are new to Dagster Cloud, look for a Sign Up or Create Account option. Fill in the necessary details to create your new account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Explore the sections available for managing your data assets. You are now ready to begin orchestrating your data assets with Dagster Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.